You guys just
Like,
have a lot of money. It's all good. You guys got a lot of money. That's why you guys are.
yeah, that what it is. Cause they just bullshit. They just throwing the shit around. I'm like, shit.
That's
Let
what I'm
me have
saying.
some. I can sit on. I can
They
sit
don't know
on the
what to do with it.
sideline.
Saying this
Shit,
person, like, yeah, I'm just.
that's crazy.
It's crazy. I know. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I can sit on the sideline and make some of that free ass money. Shit.
I'll be in the ref.
Shit, for real, shit. I'll be a punter, shit. I'll boot, kick that bitch and run off the sideline. Shit, what the hell? I'm still getting paid.
Don't matter if it goes in or not, right?
Shit, I'm on the team.
He said, "Shit, I'm on the team."
Shit. What the fuck? For real, man. Shit, I'm gonna represent. I'm a diehard, no cap. You know what I mean? I'm a diehard Cowboy. I don't give a fuck. If you sorry on my team, I'm gonna tell your ass sucks. You know what I'm saying? You suck, you suck. I'm gonna tell you the truth. You good, you good, but hey, you suck, I'm gonna tell you, yeah, your ass suck.
With the blue cap.
You already know with the blue cap, you already know we ain't playing no games. Stay popping out, rocking out. You did. We finna have all the channels popping, no cap, y'all. We finna get this channel right here up to 4K. We finna get this channel up to 4K. We gonna get the other channel up to 200. And we gonna get the other channel up 100. Already. Yeah. Yeah, no, you on that waxy wax. I already know. Dab on them haters.
Dab on them haters.
So yeah, you might be on that dab. For real. You say dab on them haters. Already, what's up with all my bros? Drop y'all comments. Whoever coming in this eye, y'all better pop out and rock out. We ain't
5
playing
people on
shit.
the live. 5 people. What's
Fire
up?
in the hole. Fire that shit up, y'all. Fire that shit up.
Oh, I'm firing it up.
Fire in the hole. What the hell y'all going? Uh-oh, I heard it. I heard the torch. Yeah. He finna get the dabbing on them haters. You okay? That boy finna dab on them hoes. Dab on them haters. Say, y'all, we just need 10 subscribers, y'all. We just need 10 subscribers, y'all. We be at 61 and 5K. What's up with it? We kicking ass. We kicking ass. You need. Man, say, y'all, man. Get down and lay down. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Y'all better come to the lobby channel. We ain't playing no damn game. I told y'all. We kicking ass.
About being monetized?
Man, say, I drive. Nah, fuck that shit. They get on my nerve. They keep on asking me to do more shit. No, I'm gonna keep popping my shit. And we still going up. What? Fuck that shit. They ask me to do too much shit. I'm gonna stay popping out. I'm gonna get a 2,000 damn subscribers and still be laughing at these motherfuckers.
Hey, you still gonna get that plaque though?
Say, y'all, look, we just went up again. We just need 9 more subscribers. So yeah, get ready. By the time I hop off the live, we gonna hit 61 and 5K. Yeah. Ain't no game. I told y'all, man. We gonna take over the game, y'all. While I'm on my other live.
He's the one that made me start my YouTube. Coach. Yeah. No, like forever. Yeah, he made me start.
That's what you supposed to do to them haters. You point at the motherfucking camera and say, we kicking y'all ass.
We're about to get ready for that fire in the hole. You ready?
Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go. Turn up, y'all.
All right, fire in the
Dabbing
hole.
on them haters, y'all. Hit him with the dab. Hit him with the dab. Dab on them. You just dab on them. What's up, y'all? Turn up. What it do, y'all? Pop out, rock out. What it do, y'all? We told y'all, say y'all. Please be yourself. Pop out. I told y'all, we the best. No cap, y'all. Other channel doing numbers, y'all. You hear me? We ain't playing. We rocking this shit. appreciate everybody. No cap from the tip of
Bye,
the
fuck
day. Dallas.